So this came today, the Tineco iFLOOR 3. Straight out of the box. We've been using this Bissell for about maybe 3.5 years. Been really good for us, but wanted to try something cordless, a bit more affordable. So here, just charging. Looks pretty nice. It's really light. A little bit heavier than the way it looks, but it's fine. It's minor. There's a little water tray. That's compared to our Bissell. One thing I don't like about this is I want to pour out water. The hole is a little bit lower than the top there. So there's always gonna get water caught. Kind of a little crack. That's kind of hard to show, but whereas the Bissell, the opening is just at the bottom, so this can always get fully empty. Again, not a huge deal, but a little something. Here's the dirty water goes. Something that's nice about this one is that it has a little, like a little, I don't know, little catcher, so like all the food and junk doesn't get caught up in our filter. Kind of stops there and goes back down, which is nice. These things feel okay. I feel like the Bissell was a little stronger plastic, but again, it's fine. Here's the mat for the brush. This is a lot bigger than the Bissell. Let's put it back in there. I think that's good. I haven't actually tried it fully on the floor yet, but one thing I do like is this little LCD screen. I wanted to show kind of the difference of the noise. Here's the Bissell, which is the Tineco. And this one you can feel it pulling, like I'm kind of just, it's pulling me. There's a max mode and an eco mode. One thing that I really like about this is the self-clean feature. When we want to clean out the Bissell, we have to pour water in the tray, lean the handle back, and then I can turn it on and it'll suck up water and clean it. But this one...
Alright, it's on auto. Still leaves my floor very wet. I have to go over spots several times just to pick it up. You have to go really slow. And I don't know why, but this thing wants to take you for a ride. I'm telling you, she's got speed. So this is my house. I put up my chairs and stuff. It's not that huge, but I've had to stop and fill the tank almost twice now. And I've got 50% battery left. I don't think she's gonna make it on that much water. So yep, I have to fill it 3 times. I'm really regretting this purchase because the Bissell Crosswave can hold way more water. Granted, it's not cordless, but look at that. You see how dirty my floor is right now? Okay, if you go fast, it won't get it very well. You gotta go really slow. There you go. And let's just hope it dries okay and not streaky. Let's go look at a dry area. 'Cause I'm just... Okay, it's improved, but still somewhat, no, I don't know, I feel like it could be better. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to end up purchasing the Crosswave and trying it out, and then I'm probably, if I like it more, I'm gonna return this one. I just stopping 3 times to fill its itty bitty little tank. It's a bit frustrating, and then careful because these corners.
Okay, this is my Tineco iFLOOR 3 Breeze. I've already started cleaning the floors, but as you can see over here, really dirty. I'm gonna turn it on.
changes levels depending on the mess. Fresh up Cheerios, milk, and a bunch of relish. Really thick relish. Cleans perfectly. On wood floor, vinyl, laminate. Just swept under the couch. We're gonna vacuum it up and vacuum up at the same time. Adrian did some of this floor already.
Alright, so this is my first time cleaning my house with the new Tineco all-in-one vacuum mop. I would like to say that I use a Dyson stick vac at least 3 times a day. So let's see what this thing picked up. Oh my god, this is disgusting. Oh my gosh. Gross.
Okay, so we have the Tineco wet or vacuum mop combo here with some hard-boiled egg spread on the floor from my child's lunch. So, you know, hard-boiled egg is really annoying because it smears. Can't sweep it up. Let's see what happens.
So I finally put the carpet or floor squeegee thing together. And we got some yummy delights out of there.
You gotta be careful. Olsen slipped, yes. Gross.
I flipped too. I flipped too. Flip it out.
Yep, now I gotta rinse this clean because it's icky. And it goes over here really, really well. And you can turn it and it flips.
I'm like, look, can you see that smoke right there? And then right now, it's like turning on and off by itself. Like, I don't want to go near it. It smells really bad. You can see that smoke coming out? It was literally just turning on by itself right now. Yeah, and Esme won't let me go outside.